let's start today G2 test route at Etobicoke. Make a left turn from the stop sign. Make sure guys, if the traffic is coming from the left, make sure don't go. Okay, so keep it like that. Examiner will say make a right turn from the stop sign and wait here. Make sure guys, stop on the stop sign first. Okay, do not cross the stop sign. And make sure you have enough space, one car space. Okay.
Oh, he's doing a wide turn. Very busy.
It's okay. Have patience, okay?
Yeah. Oh, I don't feel bad. I feel bad for this guy because he's turning wide, so.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. It's going to be hard for him to turn.
Don't go until he crosses the.
Yeah. And
Then we'll stop on the stop sign. Don't go now. Now you can go. Stop on the stop sign. Stop here. And check the pedestrian, left, right, no pedestrian. We can go a little bit right motion and stop again if the traffic is coming. Nobody is coming, we can go. We can go, okay? Amazing. Now examiner will say make a left turn from the traffic lights. So make sure guys, give the signal, check the blind spot and give the signal again, check the blind spot, get in from the white broken lanes. Keep it like that, okay? Very nice. And keep your signal on and
stop.
Make sure nobody is coming from the opposite side.
We're good.
Good, we clear, we can go. Okay, don't go if you cannot see anything. Okay, amazing. Now what's the speed here? It's 50. If you don't see any speed sign, it's a 50. So make a right turn from the upcoming street. Make a right turn from here. Check the blind spot, get in from the beginning. Yes, go. And do not touch guys yellow or white lane. Keep it like that. Do not touch any lane. Keep it in the center. Again, speed is still 50. Always look around. Check the mirrors, scan all those mirrors. Okay, now examiner will say make a left turn from the stop sign. Give the signal to the left, check the blind spot and get in from the beginning guys, wide broken beginnings, and keep it like that. Keep your signal on and make sure guys it's always stop. So who came first will go first. Check pedestrian and go. Make sure you guys complete stop on the stop sign. Don't do rush. So keep it like that. And now make a right turn from the traffic lights.
No pedestrian.
This is a broken lane, so we can use those broken. And if you don't see any, don't stop on the green light. Go. Okay? Do not stop on the green light. If green means go. G as in green, G as in go. So please keep it like that. Speed limit is 60. Now examiner will say make a right turn from the traffic lights. So give the signal from here, check the blind spot And if you see guys, red light, please stop on, this is like a stop sign for you. So stop on the red light on the line, stop here, make a complete stop. Then check left, right, nobody is coming, we can go. Right turn is free here, so we can go. Make sure nobody is coming from the left side. So make sure, keep it like that. It's a 50 again. It's a 50, okay? So guys, we are having a roundabout. Make sure guys, they are saying yield sign ahead. So if the car is coming on the roundabout, please wait for them. Okay? Otherwise, do not slow, just slow down and go. Go straight. Go straight. Okay? Keep it like that. Now give the right signal and take an exit. Yes. Now make a right turn from traffic lights. Check the blind spot and get in from the beginning. It's amazing. So guys, examiner will ask you parallel parking, downhill, 3-point turn in those streets. So make sure always give the signal and check the blind spot. So it's like a stop sign for you. Check traffic. If you see the car is coming, you know, any lane, don't go. It has to be clear all lanes, okay? Amazing. Now speed limit is 60 here. So keep it like that. If you cannot follow the speed, just follow the traffic. Okay? If you don't have any traffic, just follow the speed. Keep it like that. Now, examiner can ask you, okay, lane change to the left. So make sure guys, give the signal, check the blind spot and do the lane change. If examiner is not asking anything, please keep it on the right side. Don't do anything. Amazing. And make sure speed limit is 60 here. And we are going, we are going back to the test center. Keep it like that. Just look around. Yeah. Check the intersection. Yeah. So now examiner will ask you, sometime examiner ask you, okay, make a left turn from here, get into the plaza. But sometime examiner ask you, make a left turn from the, no, don't do it here. We are taking a left turn from the traffic lights. Sometime examiner ask you from here. Okay. So keep it like that. I will do the left turn from here. Check the, yes, blind spot and get in from the beginning. And make sure guys, if whenever you have a green light, please, two things we have to keep that in our mind. First, pedestrian and the oncoming traffic for the left turn. So one car at a time in the middle. Just, can you see the car is crossing the pedestrian crossing, right? So cross that pedestrian crossing, then wait over there. Yes. What do you think? It's clear, right? No car, no pedestrian, we can go. And slow down and make a left turn, go into the plaza. Check the blind spot, no traffic, no pedestrian, we can go. Very good. So guys, that's all. This is your test route